Welcome to this tutorial on how to redirect a URL in WordPress quickly and easily. In this guide, you will learn the exact steps required to set up a URL redirect on your WordPress site, ensuring a smooth experience for both you and your website visitors. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once the WordPress homepage loads, take a moment to locate the login option, which is typically found in the top right-hand corner of the screen. After you have found the login button, click on it to proceed. This action will prompt you to sign in to access your account and website dashboard. To simplify the process, move your attention to the option that allows you to sign in using your Google account. Click on the button that says Continue with Google, and then select the appropriate account from the list provided. This streamlined method ensures that you are logged into your WordPress account using your credentials, saving you time and avoiding the hassle of entering additional information. Once you have successfully signed in, shift your focus to the quick links section within your WordPress dashboard. Here you will see an option labeled Edit Site. This is the gateway to the site editor where you are able to make modifications to your website. Click on Edit Site to open the editor interface. In this interface, you are given full control over the content and design elements of your website, making it the ideal spot to implement a URL redirect. Within the site editor, carefully locate and highlight the text which you intend to use as the link that will serve as your URL redirect. It is important to select only the exact text you want to be clickable, ensuring that the end user experience remains clear and professional. With the desired text highlighted, look for an icon that represents linking. This link icon is typically located in the toolbar of the editor. Its function is to allow you to associate the highlighted text with a specific URL. Once you have clicked on the link icon, a field will appear where you can enter the redirect URL. In this field, paste the URL redirect link that you wish to use. This link acts as the destination for the redirect, meaning that any visitor who clicks on the linked text will be taken directly to the new location. Make sure that the URL you are using is correct and free from any unwanted characters or mistakes. After pasting the URL, click on the option to apply the change to ensure your new link settings are saved. Following these clear steps will enable you to set up a URL redirect on your WordPress site in just a few minutes. By logging in using your Google account, accessing the site editor through quick links, highlighting the relevant text, clicking on the link icon, and finally pasting your URL redirect link, you have effectively streamlined the process. This approach not only saves time but also optimizes your website's navigation, ensuring that visitors are directed seamlessly to the right destination. Enjoy the efficiency and simplicity of redirecting URLs on your WordPress site, and thank you for following along with this tutorial.